Hey guys, today I'm gonna be dyeing my hair, hopefully blue, a dark blue. I'm gonna be dyeing my hair blue today. It looks purple, but it should come out like a dark blue. A dark blue. It's like half, not half, like it's a little bit used. This turquoise color, I used it last time. So I like to use these because they smell so freaking good and it leaves your hair like so soft, extremely soft. Oh fuck, I just got it on my lip. Well, but yeah, it's just a semi-permanent color and I'm gonna be mixing it in with my moisture mask. It's almond shea butter from Suave. It's just like a conditioner. It's a conditioner so I can like put on my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna just be dyeing my ends. I'm gonna be dyeing them blue. I already did a little test right here, right there, but I took it off like 5 minutes after. I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna just dye my whole hair. I'm like, it's gonna show. So I'm gonna use the little bit that I left in here. Man, this shit smells so good. Ah. But yeah, I'm gonna just mix whatever's left in here with this and I'm gonna add conditioner. I'm gonna take a big ass spoon like this. Just put it in here. Mix it with the poquito que hay ahí. Now I'm gonna take some of this right here. Should smell good too. Fuck. I'm gonna just take this section right here. A ver si me escucha. But yeah, I'm gonna just take this section right here and dye that first. I don't have gloves, so fuck it. Also, I'm doing this the messy and the easy way because I can't take longer than like 30 minutes. Because then my son gets fussy. Alright, so now I'm gonna just wait 30 to 45 minutes and then I'm gonna wash it off and then I'll show y'all later the result. I got some freaking oh well. Alright, so my hair is already been there for an hour. I let it sit there for an hour. And I'm just gonna wash it now. This is how it looks. Alright, hey y'all, this is my hair, how it turned out. Like, today is Thursday, so literally a week after I dyed it. It's like washing off, because this weekend was like a really busy weekend. I went to the lake and, like, you know, I was trying not to wash my hair that much so the water wouldn't rinse out my color, but it did. A lot, actually a lot. It was like way darker, and it was like a really nice blue. I didn't take a picture of it though, because I always had my hair up since I've been going out. I haven't, no me he hecho el pelo, so this is what I got left, and I decided just, you know, fuck it, I'm gonna just show the video, ya que I'm not gonna dye my hair any more colors. I'm going back to black after this. I really need to stop touching my hair. Let me just fix it up. But yeah, I'm just gonna dye my hair black after this. I'm not doing any more colors because my hair is really damaged. So this is the last time I'm dyeing it, mostly because I already had to dye there. I'm like, I'm not gonna let it go to waste. So I just decided to dye my hair again. Jaque, it had a little bit of fucking yellow. It's not even blonde, it was yellow. Yellow bleach. I keep on looking at the viewfinder, and I need to remember to look at the camera. I don't know why I do that a lot. Stay tuned to all the videos I'm gonna be posting. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.